Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional and visually appealing exercise YouTube thumbnail for your videos. So, in Canva, you can create impressive YouTube thumbnails in just a few minutes. The best part about Canva is that you can customize ready-made templates designed by professionals. To do this, go to canva.com and create an account with Gmail or Google. After creating your account, you'll see this interface. Then search for Exercise Thumbnail and you'll see various options. Some are paid templates, but don't worry, there are free ones too. So explore the options, and once you find a template that fits your needs, customize that one. For now, I'll choose this one. All right, I'll use this one as it is free. Just click on it and you'll see even more options. Simply pick the one you like and customize the template. You can edit anything you want. Now, you can modify whatever you like. If you want to change the background, go to the Upload section. If you have your own image, upload it from your computer and it will appear here. For example, I want to replace it with this photo. Just drag and drop like this. Drag and drop, right? Similarly, if you want to replace the image in the template, just upload it from your computer. If you want to add your own, just drag and drop like this. I'm just showing a demo. If you want to add any elements, images or icons, go to the Photos, and although some are pro options, you can search for Free Photos. Let's go with a free version like this, or you can choose from many options. I'll go with this one. Sorry, I will select an exercise-related image. Since this is for exercise, maybe I'll go with this one. Now I'll make it larger so it looks clear. If I want to add any elements or icons, I'll just go to Graphics and add anything I want. Maybe like this. If I want to edit the text, just select the text. There is an option to change the font. You can pick any font. This lets you resize your text, and this tool is for changing the color of your text. This one is for making it bold, italic, underline, strike through, uppercase and lowercase, and for aligning your paragraphs or text. There's also an option to make lists, adjust line spacing, letter spacing, and control the transparency of your text. And this is for effects. If you want to add effects or make a curve, it's available here, plus more advanced effects. This one is for animation, but you don't need to add animation to your thumbnail. This is for positioning items with one click. For now, I'll stick with this one. You can try different things. Change whatever you want using the same process. If you want to change the color of icons or elements, just select them and update the color. In this way, you can customize anything you like. If you want to add your own logo, go to Upload and upload it from your computer. For example, this is my logo, and I want to add it here. Just like this. You can add whatever you like. You can add your own text, image, branding, everything. Once your design is ready to export, double-check everything. If everything looks good and you're ready to export, rename your file, and to export it, go to the Share option, then to Download. YouTube thumbnails require PNG, so download it as a PNG or in another format if you prefer. Several formats are available. Just download it, then upload it as your video's thumbnail on YouTube. And that's the simple process to create an exercise YouTube thumbnail for your channel. Keep practicing and enjoy learning, creating, and designing anything in Canva.